Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be looking at my external fuse block on my truck. I've had a lot of questions from followers on Instagram as well as friends on Facebook about what it is, where I bought it, and how I hooked it up. So I want to show you all the details to that in this video. So let's go check it out. Alright, so here we are in the engine compartment of the truck. Right here is the external fuse block that I've incorporated into the electrical system of my truck. Here's a close-up of it. So this is made by Blue Seas Systems. I'm going to put a link to this in the description of this video. It's only $50 on Amazon. So click on that link. If you are in need of cleaning up your electrical, this is a great way to go. So the reason why I did this modification is prior to doing it, I had probably about 10 different wires coming off of the positive terminal on my battery post. At this point, I have the main power to the starter and then 2 wires coming off. So it's much cleaner this way. So this red wire is the wire I have in here that goes down and into the bottom of the fuse block to provide power straight to the fuse block. Any wire that's mounted below this point is getting positive power. And any wire that's mounted up in this section is a ground. So this is nice and clean because this wire right here I've mounted into the fender. I have one main ground wire for this whole thing. So it cleans up not having to run grounds for each of these. I mean, I've got 7 different wires here, and that would be 7 separate wires, you know, hooked to the fender or to some of these bolts up here in the front of the truck. So again, this is a nice clean way to do it. Each of the positive wires is on its own fuse. I've got 6 separate things tied into here. 2 of these are from the original electrical system of the truck. One is for the headlight relay, one's for the trailer brake, one's for the radio, and there's 2 others. One's for the gauges, and the last one is for the stereo. So I've got every external electrical component that I've put in here is run through this block. So I'll give you one more close-up of this. Now you can see I still have a lot of electrical to clean up here. That's what I'm going to actually hold off doing for future videos. I've got everything I need to replace the fusible links. I've got everything I need to basically clean this whole part of my engine up. So that'll be a fun project to see as the channel progresses. But if you have any questions on this fuse block, or if something I said didn't make sense, please comment down below. Like I said, this is a super easy modification. I just used these little aluminum channel brackets to mount it to the fender. That was fairly simple. That way it sticks out a little bit. It clears the hood when it closes, and it still clears all the original relays in the engine compartment. So that's the external fuse block on my truck. Like I said, if you have questions, let me know. Make sure to like this video. I'm going to keep making these about different things I've done to my truck. If you have any requests for things you want to see detailed, let me know. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.